Here's where I'm going to show you how you can draw some simple watermark lines or graph paper. First, I'm going to put a line on the left-hand side, then I'm going to use my pencil tool and redraw over it to make it squiggled. Then I'm going to clone it, not quite in the same position. These lines could also be used for typography lines. Then I'm going to select both lines, go over to my blend tool, select the first one on the left, then I'm going to select my right one, and then I'm going to double click on the blend tool and then drop down the menu and select specific steps. You can use your up and down arrow keys or type in a number that you would like. Then I'm going to go back to my pencil tool and show you that you can continue editing and update the path if you need to make continued changes and alterations. Then you can duplicate what you have generated here and then rotate it to get the graph paper that is used for watermarks.